3, 2, 1.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share a quick stationery haul I did to get completely ready for starting 11th grade and diving deep into the science stream. The most crucial part of this haul is definitely getting my hands on the core textbooks. NCERT Biology Textbook. First up, we have the NCERT textbook for biology. This is going to be my main guide for understanding the fascinating world of living organisms. It's the official curriculum book, so I know it's packed with all the fundamental concepts and information I'll need for my exams, and a solid foundation in biology. NCERT Chemistry Textbook Part 1. Next, we have the NCERT Textbook for Chemistry Part 1. This volume will cover the initial concepts and principles of chemistry. NCERT Chemistry Textbook Part 2. Following that, I also got the NCERT Textbook for Chemistry Part 2. This will delve into the more advanced topics in chemistry, building upon what I learned in Part NCERT Physics Textbook Part 1. Moving on to physics, I have the NCERT Textbook for Physics Part 1. This book will introduce me to the fundamental laws and principles that govern the physical world around us. NCERT Physics Textbook Part 2. And finally, for physics, I also have the NCERT Textbook for Physics Part 2. This volume will cover the more advanced areas of physics, building on the knowledge from Part 1. As you can seriously never have enough pens when you're taking notes and writing assignments. I got this set of 50 pens. Having a big set like this means I won't have to worry about running out anytime soon. I also grabbed a handful of these handy small notebooks. These are perfect for jotting down quick notes during lectures, making to-do lists, or even for some rough calculations when I'm working through problems. Make sure all my notebooks and maybe even my textbooks are easily identifiable. I picked up a few nameplates. These will help me keep everything organized and avoid any mix-ups, especially with multiple subjects. And for taking more detailed notes and writing longer assignments for each subject, I got a couple of sturdy registers. These will give me plenty of space to write and keep all my work organized by subject. So that's my complete stationery haul to get me fully prepared for starting 11th grade with biology, chemistry and physics. An academic calendar for myself to keep a record of all important dates of tests and assignments.
Thanks so much for watching my back to school haul. Let me know in the comments below what your must-have items are for the new academic year. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.